So, wait a minute. In this video, I will be your teacher. Subscribe if you want a good grade. Before starting, give me your money. Attention. I mean attention. Who needs money these days? Like we said before, this is a tutorial video, a how-to video. Every time I watch this trailer, I get hooked. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to rent a car without a driving license. This mission is dangerous and parental advisory. To start the mission, you need to fill up your energy. Find a good restaurant. Oh, don't let this handsome guy distract you. In that restaurant, what is better to eat than a burger? Yeah, this burger was damn good. It was like... By the way, all what this guy did in this video was eating a burger with sounds. Looks stupid, right? But guess what? 4.5 million people watched it. And he has 10 million subscribers. All his videos are like that. And they got millions of views. Soon, maybe we will find a pooping SMR channel with millions of subscribers. Anyway, let's get back to our subject. After filling up your energy, start your road. From train, bus, and plane, to boat, to walk to meet your friend. Then go to the car rental, sign the damn papers, grab the keys, start the engine, and let the journey begin. Enjoy your day, film some clips until it gets dark. Finally, and most importantly, thank your friend, because he was the one driving all the time.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, let's summarize what we learned. To rent a car without driving license? First, meet your friend. Second, rent a car. And finally, thank your friend. That's it for today. See you later.